Welcome back to Gen 2 Solutions. If you are watching this video, you are probably dealing with the most annoying notification on any smartphone, the dreaded storage space running out warning. You try to download a new app, take a video, or even just update your phone, and it stops you right in your tracks. You look at your gallery and think, I don't have that many pictures, where is all my storage going? The truth is, your phone is holding onto gigabytes of hidden junk, cache files, and system data that you cannot easily see. In this 6-minute tech tutorial, I am going to walk you through the absolute best settings to recover massive amounts of space without deleting a single photo, video, or important app. I am using my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to demonstrate these settings today. However, this is a general Android tutorial. Whether you are using a Samsung, Google Pixel, Xiaomi, or any other Android device, these exact steps will work for you. Let's jump right into the first hidden setting. First, we need to tackle the biggest storage stealers, hidden app caches. Open your Settings app. Scroll down slowly until you find Apps or App Management. Tap on it. Now, look for the sort icon or filter button and select Size. This lists your apps from the largest space hog to the smallest. Let's tap on one of these heavy apps, for example, TikTok. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Now pay close attention here. Only tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless you want to be completely logged out of your account. Clearing the cache simply removes temporary junk files. Go ahead and repeat this exact process for the top 10 largest apps on your list. If this first setting is already helping your phone run faster, take 1 second to hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Gen 2 Solutions family for daily tech secrets. Now let's move on to the second hidden setting to find files you didn't even know existed. Go back to your home screen and open your app drawer. Find the My Files app, or if you're on another brand, just Files. Open it up. Look for the button that says Analyze Storage or Manage Storage. Tap it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. You are looking for a section called Large Files. Tap on that. These are very often forgotten screen recordings or massive videos. Select the ones you do not need anymore and hit Delete. Tap the back button and look for your trash or recycle bin. Android holds onto deleted files for 30 days. Tap Empty Trash to permanently wipe that junk and get your gigabytes back immediately. For our third trick, we are going deep into your web browser. Open up Google Chrome. Tap the 3 little dots in the top right corner. Go down and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see Site Settings. Tap on it. Now scroll down again and find Data Stored. This is a hidden system folder where websites leave behind cache. Tap Clear All Data. This is a massive space saver. And by the way, if you use an iPhone, this specific Chrome trick works exactly the same way on iOS devices too. Finally, let's make sure your phone maintains this clean storage automatically. Open your main Settings app one more time. Search for Device Care or Battery and Device Care. Tap on Auto Optimization. ensure this toggle is switched to the on position. This powerful feature allows your Android device to automatically clear out system logs and restart your phone during the night. If you followed all these steps, drop a comment down below and let me know exactly how many gigabytes of storage you recovered. Check out the video on your screen right now to see how to clear even more of that annoying other storage. Thank you for watching Gen 2 Solutions, and I will see you in the next one.